To change the airway on the adult mannequin, first remove the face skin. Start by gently pulling the skin off of the attachment posts located at the bottom of the mannequin's ears. Gently curl the face skin upward and pull the skin up and from the head. Make sure the red mouthpiece in the face skin does not remain attached to the tube at the end of the airway. Next, peel the neck skin back to reveal the jaw and remove the jaw by pulling up and away from the head. Then remove the airway connector from the head by sliding the connector horizontally towards the jaw to disconnect it from the head mount. Remove the chest skin by gently removing it from the attachment posts located on the torso and shoulders. Lay it back to reveal the chest cavity and lungs. Pull the airway tube down through the neck. To remove the airway from the compression plate, pull up on the white connector. After it pops loose, slide the short tube horizontally through the large slot of the compression plate. Then remove the exhaust tube from the side of the mannequin. Exchange the old airway with a new one. Slide the small portion of the tube into the slot and then press down until it clicks into place. Make sure the hole in the center of the lungs sits over the clear plastic ventilation sensor. Run the airway up through the neck and reconnect it to the head mount. Reinstall the exhaust end of the airway and fold the chest skin back into position, making sure the chest plate has been placed properly over the clear plastic ventilation sensor. As you reattach the chest skin, make sure it does not lay over the neck skin of the mannequin. Reinstall the jaw and neck skin. Attach the hair to the attachment posts and gently install the face skin to the attachment posts, making sure the red mouth connector is seated on the end of the tube connector of the airway. It's always a good idea to test the mannequin afterward to make sure everything is functioning properly.